How to fix camera not working on Discord. So if you want to fix your camera is not working on your Discord, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection while using your Discord. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problems. Once done, you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to come to the left side and click on camera. If you don't find it, you need to just simply search for camera option and then hit the enter. And then once you're on your privacy and security, you will have the camera option. Click on camera. And as you can see that Roblox, Xbox, and many more applications have the access to camera. In the same way, you need to make sure that the Discord application also has the access to camera. Or if you're not having the Discord application, if you're not using Discord on your application and if you're using on your browser, then you need to make sure that the Chrome browser also has the access to camera. Once done, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then now you need to simply search for Device Manager, which will be under your control panel. So click on the Device Manager section. Now on the Device Manager, you will have cameras. You need to click on camera and then select the camera in which you're facing the problem. Then you need to right click on it and then go with Disable Device. After disabling, wait for a few seconds and then again enable the device and your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to search for Discord and then go with discord.com and make sure that you have logged into your Discord. Go with Open Discord, which will be in the top right, and enter your credentials and you'll be logged into your account. Now here you need to go with settings, user settings, which will be in the bottom left. And we need to head over to the voice and video option. So scroll down and then you will have the voice and video under the app settings option. Click on that. Now here, if you scroll down, you'll have the video section and then you will have the camera. You need to go and test your camera or test your video and make sure the camera is set to default. And then scroll down and make sure that these options are turned on. After that, you can just simply go and restart your device and your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.